So today we're going to be taking a look at the visualizer aspect of Apple Music. This is such a cool feature that used to be around in the late 90s, the early 2000s on music apps. So we're going to have a look at what I mean. So basically I've opened up Apple Music. As you can see here, we have a song ready to go. All we're going to do is we can either click Command T, or we just go to Window and click Visualizer. Obviously I'll just start the song off. You won't be able to hear the song obviously because of copyright, but as you can see here we have the visualizer running. The cool thing about the Apple Music visualizer, there is another version of it. So we just press escape to exit like so, and if we go up to Window on the top bar, we can come down to Visualizer Settings, and in Visualizer Settings there is the classic option, and we just click Command T, and you can see there is the other visualizer. It's a cool tip, it's something you might just want to put on the screen. I always quite like watching these things myself. So that is how you access the visualizer. It's very cool, very awesome part of Apple Music. They don't really talk about it anymore. No one really shows off visualizer anymore, which I kind of think is a bit depressing because I've always quite enjoyed them myself. But thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.